Hey, hi, hello, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I achieved this glowy summer makeup look, so stay tuned. My hair desperately needed to be washed, so that's why it is wet and I'm just letting it air dry. I love using this Real Technique sponge. I just get it damp to apply my foundation. And for the summertime, I love using this True Match Lumi foundation. It is a healthy, luminous makeup. It also has SPF 20, so I love using this on my skin in the summertime. It's pretty lightweight, and that's exactly what I go for in the summer months. So I just use 2 to 3 pumps usually, and it does the job. Next, I'm going in with this Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline. I use this mainly under my eyes just to brighten up the darkness. I like to go in with my brow product in order to let my foundation and concealer set. I'm using the Instant Lift Brow Pencil by e.l.f. and I use the color Taupe. I brush out my brows and then I lightly fill in my brows. It's pretty quick and it just adds a little definition. I like to set my brows with this NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel. I love using palettes like the one Casey Holmes did with Physicians Formula. It has eyeshadows in here as well as a bronzer, blush, and highlight. So it just makes it really easy to complete a look having all of these products in one area. So I just started with a light colored eyeshadow. It's a white shade and I'm putting it in my inner corners. And then I went ahead and used the bronzer actually, and I put that on the outer just the outer corner of my eyes to add a little bit of dimension. As you can see, I'm just using my fingers to apply most of these shades. It's quick and they blend pretty easily, so that helped as well. I'm using the highlighter and placing that on the center of my lid just to add some dimension. Next, I'm taking this powder brush by Real Techniques and I am combining the bronzer and blush in order to create a beautiful bronzy glow all over my face. I wanted to define my lower lash line a little better, so I went in with these two darker shades in the same palette, and I just used a small brush to smudge them into that lash line. Busted. This was a funny moment. My husband didn't know what I was up to, so he was surprised when he walked in. It's time to highlight. So I'm just taking this brush. It's by Milani, and I think it's an all-over blending brush, but I really like the shape of it to apply my highlighter. I also decided to place some highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes because sometimes you just have to let it glow. For mascara, I'm using a combination of L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise as well as Maybelline's Lash Sensational. The final product I'm using is the Make It Last Setting Spray by Milani. This stuff really works, and I spray it all over. Alright, you beautiful people, that's it for my makeup look today. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next one. Take care, guys.